In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best RU discount codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for RU discount codes. Right here go to this website which is called retailminute.com, and as you can see right here we have some promo codes and promotions that we can use to get a discount. So for example right here, if you want to get this one with 10% discount off your first booking, simply tap on this promotion right here. And this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy this promo code and you can apply this one on your first booking so that you can get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called WordPenny, and right here as you can see we also have some promo codes that we can use. So for example this one right here, which is also verified with 15% discount. All you need to do is select the promotion, and this is the promo code right here. You can tap on the copy button in order to copy the promo code, and you can apply this one on the next booking in order to get the discount. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.